Hey guys, it's Julie here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My channel is based on me running my Jtru design business through the week, and I create party decorations as well as gifts for people. So hopefully you enjoy this video. I know that Valentine's Day is around the corner, so hopefully I can create some things to add to my shop. So without further ado, let's see how the week goes. Just designed these cute cupcake toppers for Valentine's Day, and I think they can be used for weddings or anniversary as well, so I'm going to get them cut right now just to see what they look like. So this is what it looks like, and I've added the stick behind it, and I think it's pretty cute. Sometimes I take photographs of real cupcake toppers on cakes, but most of the times I use Photoshop to add my design to the picture and then just upload it to my Etsy listing. I have uploaded this listing to my Etsy shop, and I'm just showing you the color chart, and that's pretty much done. So I'm about to work on these baby grow cupcake toppers, and I've had an order for these baby pink ones in a pack of 12, so just gonna get that ready right now. I'm not sure why, but I always find this part so satisfying when just peeling it all away. Hopefully you guys are enjoying my video so far. I would really appreciate it if you can click the like button down below, as this will help my video reach out to more people, and it's a great way for me to build my channel as well. The glue has all dried up, so now I am going to add a backing layer so that it can be used either way. So this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? So these are finally done. I'm about to pack them up and get it sent out today. So I went to the range the other day, and if you guys don't know what the range is, it's a craft shop that sell lots of arts and craft stuff as well as furnitures and essentials. So I was in there just looking for inspiration, and I came out with some storage boxes for my office, so I just thought I'll show you guys now. I got this one, which I'm going to organise my top drawer a little bit more because I use it so often, and it would be great to divide things into place so they are easier to find. And I also got this storage box, which is very big and handy to have all my cake toppers in there. And yeah, I mean, I already have storage boxes, to be honest, but there's never enough, because I could always pre-cut things and just store them away, and when I need them, just take them out. So if you guys are interested in seeing what the range is all about, then I can link it in the description box below so you can check it out. So let's get organised. I've got so much junk in this drawer, it's unbelievable, so I'm trying my best to just clear it all out now and just get more organised. If you're wondering why I've got a toothbrush in there, it's because it's for cleaning my Cricut machine. So my top drawer is done. Next I'm going to pre-cut some of my cupcake toppers, and hopefully I can start filling up my toolbox with all these little cupcake toppers. So this is what it currently looks like. I mean, I'm just going to fill it up with all these cake toppers for now, and I could always switch it up. But yeah, these ones are for banners, these letters. So I'm just going to store this away now. So this week has been pretty quiet for me, and I think it's quite normal during January because a lot of people are recovering from the Christmas period, and I'm trying my best to use this time to just create more things and get myself more organised for this year. And honestly, when I first started my business, I didn't know what to expect. Like when I was busy, it felt great and it was overwhelming at times. But when it was quiet, I was left thinking, oh, what have I done wrong? But quite honestly, there's not anything I've done wrong, you know, because in business, there's always highs and lows and everyone goes through it and it's normal. Just make sure you keep on going, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And I've just learned to appreciate this quiet time to, you know, look after myself and also just plan ahead of what I want to do for 2021. And I do have a lot of good stuff coming up. So I think I'll end this video here. Thank you all so much for supporting my channel. You know I really appreciate you guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe so you can see more of these type of videos in the future. And don't forget to like, because that will help my video reach out to more people, and it does help the algorithm as well. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.